Well, welcome to the world's smallest kitchen again. And today we're going to be looking at different heat sources that we'd use. When I say the scientists in your family are usually the ones doing the cooking, I'm not kidding. So we're going to start today, and I'm going to have burger, but it could be ground whatever, turkey, pork, whatever you like on there, and We're going to put it on this stove. As you can see, I have a fry pan, and just to go with a little bit of the forces in motion, this fry pan is got very much is very smooth. I'm starting to get a few scratches in it, but I make it last a long time. And this has a coating to make things keep from sticking. Okay. So we're trying to do that. We're trying to get away from that. Now, as you can see, we have the full complement of spices today. Also teas, but there's the full complement of spices as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to start with doing this. When I cook the ground beef in here, I'm going to be using the heat from the eye. Is going to go right into the metal here. So it's going to go from the glass to the metal, and then from the metal right to the meat. Okay? If you're not a meat eater, it's still the same thing. If I were cooking, what have you, let's say, for example, I was doing some, some bok choy, which I love to cook and everything else, and I would chop it up and I would put it in here too as well, and season it and make it so hot that it would burn the roof of your mouth off. But in this case here, I'm going to go ahead and make this, and it has to be something that I can cook that my wife will eat. So it can't be quite that hot. Even though I have so many awesome peppers that were grown this year that I've dried out and they're ready to go. Okay, good. We'll move out of that. So I'm going to go ahead and add that on there, and I'm going to cook this down. Once I've cooked this, we'll see what other types of heat I'm going to use. But starting off with this one here, this one is conduction. And conduction is where you go from one surface hot into another surface hot, which is again going to go into the meat, which is hot, and everything else. And so this is one that we use a lot. Your mom and dad use this a lot. I use it a lot.